Hi everyone, welcome to School Coaching Point. Today we will discuss few important concepts on understanding quadrilateral from class 8. You can download the PDF from the link given in the description box. Kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification of upcoming videos. So today we will start polygon. So what is the topic 1? Carve a figure traced out on a plane surface with the help of a sharp pencil without lifting it. So this is the key point, without lifting it. So what is the meaning? Without lifting it. Suppose this is a figure we have drawn. So we have seen that this figure is drawn without lifting the tip of the pen. So without lifting the tip of the pen, the figure is completed. So this type of figure is known as curve. That means the figure should be completed without lifting the tip of the pen. This type of figure is known as curve. So basically a curve can be classified into two categories. So curve can be classified into mainly two categories. First one is open and the second one is closed. So what do you mean by open curve? So open curve means those curve in which the end point does not meet. So in this case, this is a curve. And in this case, we have seen that both the ends does not meet. That means the end of the given curve does not touch each other. The end point does not meet. So this type of curve is known as open curve. So open curve means the end should not meet each other. So this is one more example. We have seen that both the ends does not meet. Both the end of the curve does not meet. So what do you mean by closed curve? In this case, both the end touch each other. That means both the end should meet each other. So this is a closed figure. So we have seen that both the end meets. So both the end meets. This is a closed figure. So one more example, circle is also considered as a closed figure because both the ends meets. So this is an example of closed. So in open, both the end does not meet. This is the key point. And in the closed figure, both the end meets. Move to the next topic. It's polygon. So a simple closed curve made up of only line segment is called a polygon. So first of all, we should know simple closed. So simple means the curve which does not intersect. Simple curve means the curve which does not intersect. The curve which do not intersect. The curve which do not intersect. So this is known as a simple closed curve. So for example, so this is a closed figure made up of line segment we have seen. In this case, this is a simple closed curve because we never get any intersecting point, but in the second diagram we have seen one intersecting point. This is the intersecting point. That's why it is not simple. That means in simple curve there should not be any intersecting point, but in the second figure we have seen that there is a intersecting point. Both the curve intersect somewhere. In the second figure we get a intersecting point, so it is not a simple closed curve. So a simple closed curve made up of only line segment is called a polygon. So it should be a simple and closed one made up of line segment. Closed means the curve do not intersect. So for example, so in this case it is a closed figure made up of line segment we have seen, and it is a simple also because the figure does not have any intersecting point. So a simple closed curve made up of only line segment is known as a polygon. One more example. First one is a square, second one is a rectangle. So in rectangle also we have seen that it is a closed figure made up of only line segment, but it does not have any intersecting point. Next, concave polygon and convex polygon. So polygon mainly divided into two parts. Concave, a polygon in which at least one angle is more than 180 degrees is called as a concave polygon. So concave polygon is also a simple closed curve, but in which at least one angle is more than 180 degree. So for example, this is a polygon because it is closed bounded by the line. It is a bounded by the line segment. So it should be a polygon, and in this figure we have seen that one angle. So this is the angle which is more than 180 degree. So in this given figure it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angle, and out of this 5 angle, one angle is more than 180 degree. So this is the angle which is more than 180 degree. So since one angle is more than 180 degree, so this figure represents a concave polygon. So let's move to the next, convex polygon. So a polygon in which each angle is less than 180 degree. So it should be a closed figure bounded by the line segment, but the interior angle, each angle means each interior angle should be less than 180 degree. So this is a closed figure. So it has 4 angles A, B, C, D. So in this given figure there are 4 angles, and we have seen that each angle is less than 180 degrees. So here angle A, B, C and D, all the 4 angles are less than 180 degree. So this type of figure is known as convex polygon. So convex polygon, each angle should be less than 180 degree is known as the convex polygon. And in concave, at least one angle should be more than 180 degree. So next topic, diagonal. So diagonal is a line joining the non-adjacent vertex of a polygon. So we have already discussed how to define the polygon. So it's a polygon means it is a closed figure bounded by the line segment. So diagonal should be what? A line joining the non-adjacent vertex of a polygon. So here we have seen ABCD is a polygon. So this is a square. So square is also a polygon. So in this case, D and B are what? Non-adjacent vertex. B and D are non-adjacent vertex, and A and C are non-adjacent vertex. Non-adjacent means they does not have any common arm. So B and D are non-adjacent and A and C are non-adjacent. So while we join B and D, we get a line. So this is diagonal. So diagonal means is a line joining the non-adjacent vertex. Similarly, when we join A and C, this is also represent a diagonal. So diagonal is a line joining the non-adjacent vertex. AC and BD are the two diagonals. A and C are non-adjacent vertex and B and D are non-adjacent vertex. So this is the formula, number of diagonal of a polygon of n side. N side means the number of side is n. So what is the formula? N into n minus 3 divided by 2. So this formula gives the number of diagonal. So for example, a square. So we know that in a square, how many sides? There are 4 sides. So n equals to 4. So there are 4 sides and 4 interior angles. So there are 4 sides. So how many number of diagonals? Using the formula, just put the value of n. So 4 into 4 minus 3 divided by 2. So 4 into 1 divided by 2, we can cancel 2 and 4, it becomes 2. So in a square, how many diagonals? There are 2 diagonals. Next, regular polygon. So a polygon whose all sides are equal and all angles are equal. So these are the 2 key points you should remember. All sides are equal and all angles are equal. For example, so square is an example of regular polygon because in a square all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. In a square, what is the measure of each interior angle? Tell me the answer quickly. Yes, correct. It is 90 degree. So for a square, all sides are equal and all angles are equal. So it's an example of regular polygon. All sides are equal, all angles are equal. This is the 2 key points you should remember. Next, sum of all interior angle of a regular polygon is equals to n minus 2 into 180 degrees. So this is one of the important formula you should remember. Sum of all interior angle means sum of all the angles lying inside the polygon where n is number of side. For example, once again we are taking the example of square. So this is a polygon. How many sides? There are 4 sides. And how many angles? There are 4 angles. A, B, C, D. Now we need to find out the sum of all interior angles. That means sum of angle A, B, C and D using this formula. So here n is how much? Since it is a square, n equals to 4. So sum of all interior angles should be 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. 4 minus 2 means 2 into 180 degree is equals to 360 degree. So for a square, sum of all interior angle is 360 degree. Okay, move to the next. Each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 360 divided by number of sides. So first of all, you should learn What do you mean by exterior angle? Exterior means the angle should be lying outside the polygon. So here we are taking one example. This is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle and it has four angles A, B, C, D, and all these four angles are interior angle because these angles are lying inside the polygon. So these are interior angle. So when we extend the side AB to the point E, we have seen that an angle formed outside the polygon. This is known as exterior angle. So each exterior angle of a regular polygon is equals to 360 divided by number of sides. So 360 divided by number of sides. So for this example, number of sides is 4 because there are 4 sides. So there are 4 sides. So here n is equals to 4. So it has 4 sides. Therefore exterior angle, therefore each exterior angle is equals to, using the formula, 360 divided by 4, so is equals to 90 degree. That means for a rectangle each exterior angle should be 90 degree. Then number of sides is equals to 360 by exterior angle. So number of side also you can find out using the same formula. Number of side equals to 360 by exterior angle. Suppose exterior angle of a polygon, suppose exterior angle of a polygon is 40 degree. So in the previous example we are finding the exterior angle, but in this case exterior angle is given, we need to find out the number of sides. Therefore the number of sides is equals to, using the formula, 360 divided by 40. So after cancellation we get 9. So when exterior angle is 40, number of side is 9. So when number of side is 9, it is known as nonagon. So exterior angle plus interior angle is 180 degrees. So this is one of the important points you should remember. So why 180 degree? Because in the given figure we have seen that this is exterior and this is interior, and sum of these two angles is 180 degree because they are linear pair. From the figure only we can say that both the angles form linear pair. So as they are form linear pair, so their sum must be 180 degree. So we have learned in class 7. So interior angle plus exterior is 180 degree.